Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to convert 0.065 to a percent. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start today's video solution. So 0.065 is in decimal form and we have to convert in percent form. So first know about information about percentage. So this is the symbol of percentage and it is equals to 1 by 100. So basically in place of 1 by 100 you can write the symbol percent, or in place of the symbol percent you can write 1 by 100. So let's start. So this is 0.065 in decimal. So first I'm going to convert into fraction form, that is P by Q form. So I'm going to write 0.065 in fraction form by writing 1 in denominator. Now our next step is to remove this decimal. To remove this decimal, I am going to multiply with the number of tens in numerator as well as in denominator depending upon the digits after decimal. So there are 3 digits after decimal. So 10 times 10 times 10 in numerator. To balance it, 10 times 10 times 10 in denominator. So numerators become 65 and denominator become 1000. Now this 1000 I can write it as 10 times 100. So 65 by 10 times 1 by 100 we can write. So 65 by 10 is equals to 6.5 and 1 by 100 we already discussed in the beginning of this video. We can write with the symbol percent. So it is 6.5%. If you find it useful, please like and drop your valuable comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.